Hey, so if you've got a problem with Corsair ICue software not showing your RAM, if you're using Corsair memory, I'm not too sure if it's the same with other brands' memory, but for me it's not showing my vengeance. It shows that there is something there, but it doesn't detect what it is or know what it is. This is just purely a Windows OS issue. It's not really Corsair, there's nothing wrong with your memory. I've done loads of testing, gone back and forth with Corsair. It's basically a conflict. It's other pieces of software on your OS that are trying to monitor the system, and they're basically conflicting. The easiest thing is to close Corsair ICue, wait a couple of seconds, reload it. It will then reappear on your tabs, and it will also reappear in your dashboard with all the actual information like temps and load and timings. It's just one of those really stupid things that just can't be fixed. Arguments within the system. Hope that helps. If it does, give the video a like. Thanks guys.